Hello, this session we were going to look at how do you capture screenshots out of VisualLogic. So whether using demo mode or using straight mode, excuse me, does not matter. You can use either way to capture screenshots. I'm going to show the normal mode with my VLSig file, just simply to keep it a little bit cleaner on screen. But if you went in demo mode, it would just say demo mode all over the screen here, and it'd be the same thing. So again, you can do whatever logic you want to inside of here for your diagrams. I'm not going to get into much detail. I'm just going to show you that there are a lot of options. You can draw whatever you want to on here, and that is the work you have going on. So you do your work and you draw your diagram. When you're all done drawing your diagram, and again, you'd fill in these conditions and values and all that sort of stuff. We're not showing that here. But I got my picture. I'm ready to go. Now I want to export it as a screenshot. In the class, you will not be turning in VisualLogic files. You'll be turning in screenshots into Word docs. And so the simplest and easiest way to do that on a Windows machine is to hold down your Alt key and press your print screen key. And at that point, it takes a copy of everything that's out here in this window, and then I can come over and paste that, into a brand new, fresh, or existing Word doc. And see, it pastes it into a Word doc. Now, it's kind of small in this Word doc because there's all this extra white space around there. A couple ways to work around that. One of them is I can make this smaller and fit it to the size of the diagram that I want to grab. So see, now it's about the size of the diagram. I hold down Alt and I can hit print screen, go back to my Word doc. I'm going to delete the old one and paste in the new one, and then it's much easier to read. Now, you might be particularly design conscious and picky, and you might not want the VisualLogic stuff around there. You just want the diagram. In such a case, it's pretty easy to work around. I can go, and I have it up here, or I can type in Paint inside of my search and open up Microsoft Paint. From there, I can paste that exact picture I just had into Paint, and then change the selection. I hit the select button inside of Paint, and you can use any editing tool you'd want to if you have another one in mind, and then copy this stuff, Control C to copy it, go back to my Word doc once again, excuse me, delete that, and paste it in, and there you go. Now you have a nice clean document. So if you're working in the Word doc, you could have something along the lines of a header here, which is flowchart demo or something like that, and then I can make this into my title, and there you go. I'm very much Word docy inside of here. So that is a quick view of going from VisualLogic into a flowchart inside of a Word doc using screen capture.